Hi guys, and welcome back to a video. I'm chewing gum, as you can see. Yeah, look over there. So, our challenge is School Rush. When I get there, we're going somewhere. We have to say this sentence: Minecraft is the best game in the world plus 5. Just a random sentence. We have to say that when we get there. I will record a video and post it there. So yeah, link in the description for that video. We'll see you guys later. Well, I'm not putting it in the link, but you can check it out right there. It's alright. Bye guys. We're gonna do it. Don't you believe me? Bye. Okay, whatever. Why am I doing this? Bye. See you in 1 minute.